Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the This Is Sand app. It's in your Schoology and it's in your folder. All you need to do is click on the bottom link that says This Is Sand. You're going to see an example of one that's finished, and then this is the link to bring you to the site. When you click on the site, it'll bring you to a website that is called This Is Sand, and then you can just click Start. It might ask you to give permission to use Flash on your browser. If that's not the case, then just accept it. Say, yes, it's okay to use Flash. This is Sand is pretty cool. There's a lot of functions. So when I start to click, what happens is it sounds like sand is pouring, and you can see it starting to accumulate at the bottom of my screen. Right, wherever I click, that's happening. I can change colors up here, and I clicked up on that little thing, and I can change a specific color if I want to. And now wherever I pour the sand, it will change colors, and this can go all across your screen. If I want to go and change this to random colors or a bunch of colors, that'll change. So every time I click on this little bullseye, it changes my color pattern up here, and then I click that. And so now as I pour the sand, it'll slowly start to change colors, just like the ones that I see up here. And notice how it's starting to go from yellow to orange to red. Or if I want to go back to a solid color, let's say I just wanted blue, I'll go back and do that here. Now the reason we're doing this is because the sand takes on the effect of a landscape, and that's our unit that we're talking about. So landscapes always have kind of this wide view, and we have layers in landscapes. So we have the foreground in the front, the middle ground, and then our background. I'm going to show you one that I've started earlier, and this is I've done some different color changes, and this starts to look a lot more like some mountains. And I would finish this all the way up to the top, or maybe just leave a little bit at the top. But let's say I wanted to save it. So there's three little lines up in the top left-hand corner. When I want to save it, all I have to do is click on the camera. When I click that camera, it's going to take a picture of my artwork and it's going to put it in my camera roll. Right? And there it is. It says This Is Sand. So now I'm ready to submit this in Schoology, because if I go back to my folder, one of these is an assignment. This one with the pencil is an assignment. When I open up that assignment, then there would be the submission button up here, and I would click on the submission, and I can find my picture to hand in my creation from This Is Sand. I will put in this folder how to submit an assignment to Schoology, so if you get confused and you forget how to add stuff from your folders, you'll have it right there. But hope you have fun. And that was sand. It's a pretty cool spot.